In this video, I'm going to be answering a question on whether you need the Xbox Game Pass to play Arc Raiders. It's actually pretty simple, but if you do find this guide helpful or informative, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But the answer is kind of a yes and a no depending on where you're playing. If you are playing on an Xbox console, then yes, you do unfortunately need Game Pass in order to play Arc Raiders online. It's required for console users. That being said, if you're playing on PC using the Game Pass app, you don't need the Game Pass to continue playing Arc Raiders after installing it. So PC players don't need to keep an active subscription for online play, but you are going to need Game Pass to play Arc Raiders here on console. Now, if you do need Game Pass for your console, though, I'd recommend waiting a bit. Today, at the time of making this video, is the 21st. It'll probably be going up on like the 22nd or whatnot. But the end of November, most countries do have Black Friday discounts, and Game Pass usually does go on sale every single year, so you can pick it up for way cheaper and save yourself some money. But that's really all there is to it. Once again, you do need Game Pass to play on console. You don't need Game Pass to play on PC. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.